Welcome to Siddhapur, a beautiful village in the Coorg district of Karnataka. It lies near the Kaveri river, nestled among the mountains. Siddhapur is famous for its coffee cultivation. Tourists visit here to have a peaceful break away from the clutters. And this video is about the grand celebration while immersing the idol of Bhagwan Ganesh. The celebration of Ganesh Chaturthi denotes the significance of the cycle of birth, life and death. It is believed that when the idol of the Ganesha is taken out for immersion, it also takes away with it the various obstacles of the house, and these obstacles are destroyed along with immersion. Every year in India, people wait with great anticipation to celebrate.
So put your hands up in the air, everybody. How you sit up, Rocky? Keep us in the heart, sit up, Rocky. I think to get some energy. How few people on Siddhapura here in the house DJ RK from Madikeri. So everybody ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಫೋನಿನ ಟಾರ್ಚ್ ಲೈಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಫೋನನ್ನ ಮೇಲಕ್ಕೆ ಎತ್ತಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ I'll see you right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಎರಡು ಕೈಗಳನ್ನ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ನಡೆಸಿ. ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಫೋನ್ ಇಲ್ಲದವರು ಕೈಯನ್ನು ಅಲ್ಲಾಡಿಸಬಹುದು. ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್